Kaizer Chiefs is going to play a second leg of CAF Conf against iCabo Scope, and this is a crucial, like ngiyazi ukuthi ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi every match is a crucial, but this one we win, we continue, or we lose, we stay home and focus league or other cups. But if we want to win this match, we have to make some crucial decisions, and we have to make a different in our starting lineup. So this is how I think coaches should or may line up against iCabo Scope, who are very strong and stubborn. So let's jump straight into the video together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand Podcast. I am your host Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from a great town. This is where ozithola khona zishisa bhe. Namhlanje nginiphathele zona zishisa bhe bafethu. Siphuma kwi-match ebuhlungu kakhulu. Angifuna nokuyicabanga because le match ngiphula inhliziyo. We had a good chance of winning the game and maintain our good performance at the start of the season, but the boys decided to blow it. Yeah, so let's just jump straight into our starting lineup that will face iCabo Scope. Before ngikhuluma nge-starting lineup, just make sure ukuthi you subscribe to the channel and please like the video. Also do comment below ukuthi ucabangani with the starting lineup, and also you can also drop your starting lineup below. So before I start, there are players who will be not available. The obvious ones might be Chislet. I think he will be not available. Velepai will also not be available. I think uhambe nesquad esincane, if I'm not mistaken. Marco will not be available due to injury. Umayo is not registered kwi-CAF lapha. Undlovu also is not available. Vilakazi and Luke Batman also not available. Nabo bahambe nesquad under 21 Bafana, so South Africa. So those players are not available. So which brings us to the available players. So in the goalkeeper position, I would love to see Ofia Krinsware starting, but not in this game. This is a crucial game for us. We need to win this game, like it or not. It is now or never. If we don't win this game, the season Kaizer Chiefs will change. It will take a different routine. So this match, we need to win it. Brendan Peterson will start in goals. I know he's conceding, but it's not his fault. Game Marumo Gallants, he made like 2 or 3 saves where the strikers of Marumo Gallants should have scored, but Brendan Peterson came on top and saved us, which will bring us to the 3 centre back which will be playing, because we know the coaches are implementing the new system, which is 3-4-3 when we are attacking and 5-2-3 when we are defending, something like that. So our back 3 centre back will be Kwinika, who's been performing really well, Miguel, who's also performing. I know some other fans bakhiphela kuyena ukudina kwabo bemkhuluma bethi unamaphutha anye, but he's performing, he's solid. Let's support him. Other centre back will be Bradley Cross. They will be playing a 3-4-3. So a 3-4-3 has wing backs, not a right back. So umsebenzi wama wing back is to go forward, bring in crosses, cut in if they can, and go back to defend. So our right wing back, even if I had to say this, we miss uMonyane kakhulu. We really miss him kakhulu. Kuyabonakala ukuthi he is not there, and the guy who's replacing him, who's supposed to be performing, is none other than Reeve Frosler. Yes. Lo mjezi uyagcandisa abafethu. I'm sorry to say, ngiyazi ukuthi angihlezi ngithi we should back every player odlalela Kaizer Chiefs, but this guy doesn't seem serious about playing for Kaizer Chiefs anymore. I don't know what happened to him, but he's not performing. When it's time to track back, I don't know what is happening to him, but at least please Frosler, for this game, please perform on the right wing back, on my left wing back, because Umakul must be available. Mashiane is gone, and Cross will be playing as a centre back alongside those two centre back. That leaves us with one person who can play that position, which is Nkanyiso Shin. I know he hasn't played any competitive games for the Kaizer Chiefs, but I think he's ready to make his debut. So let's hope coaches will bring Nkanyiso Shinga as a left wing back for this game. So let's jump into our double pivot, because in the middle we will be having two midfielders, which will be Umthethwa and Ucele. I know you guys don't seem like you like Umthethwa, but the guy is performing. The end of the story. Umthethwa noCele bazoqala igame, and there will be the double pivot in the middle of the field. One will be allowed to join the attack when we are attacking, and they will be allowed to track back and help the defense when we are defending. It is what it is. Our right wing, Lelepo, should start, and left wing, I know some people would really love to see Pulemodi starting, but I don't think Pulemodi will start this game. I have this feeling Ogoti Sereno will start the game. I know. Ogoti cost us a image and missed a penalty, and most of Kaizer Chiefs fans are still angry with him. But something in my heart or my mind is telling me that Sereno will start this game, and I hope he performs. And yeah, I just hope. Let's just hope. Our striker, I think Zumaya will not be available. I think Flavio Silva will start the game and score another goal. So guys, what do you think about my starting lineup? And also tell me ikuphi la ungashintsha khona wena ku-starting lineup sethu, and please predict the score down in the comment. Ungitshela ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izowina ngamagoli amangaki, or izodliwa ngamagoli amangaki, or izodrawa. Mina i-prediction yami ngithi Kaizer Chiefs will win 2-0. They have to win 2-0. We can't let those guys score another goal. So guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 4,000 subscribers. See you on another video. Danko.